Chesslocke, how to play. The rules are the same as regular chess, except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. The object of the game is to be the first player to occupy their opponent's throne. There is no check or checkmate. Each level, the pieces will be set up a unique way. Left-click on a piece to select it, then left-click on another square to move it. Walls on squares cannot be occupied or passed through, but knights can jump over them. Once you've confirmed your move, click the End Turn button, or you can right-click. As you win levels, you earn experience, which you can use to upgrade your units by giving them powerful abilities. Each ability says what it does, and the green numbers to the sides indicate what improvements will happen when the ability level is increased. Each turn, you must move one piece, and you may also perform one ability if you want. Click a piece to see its abilities. Click on the ability you want to use, then on pieces or the board for how you want to use it. In a single turn, you can move, then perform an ability, or perform an ability, then move. En passant is not allowed. Castling is not allowed. Instead, it has been transformed into an ability. Once you occupy your opponent's throne, they will get one final turn to remove you. If they are unable to remove you, then you win.